everybody. This is my microwave peanut brittle recipe for all my friends and co-workers who like my peanut brittle and want to make it at home for themselves. These are the ingredients. 1 cup of raw peanuts, 1 cup white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup Karo syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon butter, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. These are the utensils you need. First, you need a Pyrex bowl with a handle, which makes it a whole lot easier to handle this hot mixture. You need measuring cups, 1 cup and a 1/2 cup, measuring spoons, and a large spoon and a small spoon for holding the hot liquids when you stir it. Okay. First thing, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup raw peanuts, 1/2 cup Karo syrup, and stir. This is what the mixture looks like when you stir it. Set your microwave for 8 minutes. Put your mixture inside. And we're going to stir this mixture every 2 minutes at 6, 4, and 2. At 6 minutes, you're going to take it out and stir. This is what it looked like. Return to microwave.
It's down to 02, 01.
Four minutes. This is what the mixture looks like. At 2 minutes left, take your mixture, add your margarine and your vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Stir. Return to microwave. For finished product, lightly spray cookie sheet with small amount of pan. This is what mixture looks like when it comes out of the microwave. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda and stir. This is when the mixture starts to foam and looks really funny. Sylvia, this is what freaks you out. But this is the way it's supposed to look. Spread onto lightly greased cookie sheet and allow to cool. Take the back of your spoon and spread mixture evenly. Take your bowl and use the hottest tap water that comes out of the faucet and let it sit for 30 minutes in the dishwater, and it will dissolve and you can start all over again. This is the finished product. This is what it looks like. Sometimes I think it may be too oily, so I take a paper towel and just wipe off what I think is the excess oil. I break it up with a mallet or whatever you have into sizable chunks. And this is how I give it to all my friends and co-workers.